ايه اهم عامل في الشركه اللي بتدور عليه عشان تشتغل فيها؟
For me, the most important factor that I'm looking for to work in a company is first the environment. It needs to be friendly and um, there's no pressure in working.
The most important factor in actually choosing a company is of probably the work-life balance, like how actually like the upper view the people and like so that we can actually enjoy while working.
Maybe about career growth or the good salary increment.
Good environment and good pay, good team members.
Okay, for me, I want to seek that company that have a big career growth. But because right now I am trying to improve myself, study, and explore my expertise.
The most important factor that I look into when I am applying for a company is basically the work-life balance that the company provided. Also, the opportunities when we first started as a fresh graduate, and also the path that were provided by the company. Is it like really clear or not as a fresh graduate? So that is one of the things that I look into when I am applying for a company.
أهم عامل أدور فيه في الشركة اللي راح أتوظف فيها إنه يكون عندها خطة مستقبلية عشان أنا كموظف عندهم أتطور وأحصل فرص أكبر إني أكمل مسيرتي الوظيفية.